students, from all your previous videos, you understood how to go with perfect agricultural practices. Understood how to improve the variety of crops, how to produce good quality and quantity of crops, the advantages of using hybridization techniques, and how to manage and protect the produced crops, different sources of irrigation, methods of irrigation, and different cropping patterns. Maunika is back after watching previous videos. I hope everyone decided to own some land in future and start agricultural practices. Right? Now, more interesting video you are going to watch about animal husbandry. Let's start quickly with learning objectives. Animal husbandry. You will learn about the best breeds of cattle farming, and management of cattle by providing them with food, shelter, and vaccines. You even get to know the best breeds of hen and poultry management practices. Keywords: Jersey, Brown Swiss, Red Sindhi, Shahiwal, indigenous, local or Indian, exotic, foreign or non-local. Concept map. What is animal husbandry? The branch of agriculture that deals with the feeding, caring, and breeding of domestic animals is called as animal husbandry. Scientific management of animal livestock includes various aspects such as feeding, breeding, and disease control. Animal-based farming includes cattle, goat, sheep, poultry, and fish farming. Why do we need to know about this? As population and living standards increase, demand for milk, eggs, and meat also increase. So, knowledge of livestock management is very much essential. Students, come on, let's start our business with cattle farming. Ready? Concentrate well. Cattle farming. Species, scientific name: Bos indicus, cows. Bos bubalis, buffaloes. Kinds of animals seen: milk yielding or dairy animals, draught animals for agricultural works such as tilling, ploughing, irrigation, and carting. Best breeds: exotic or foreign breeds: Jersey, Brown Swiss. Famous for long lactation period. Jersey. Brown Swiss. Indigenous or Indian or local breeds. Red Sindhi, Shahiwal, famous for disease resistant. So, crossing Indian with a foreign breed helps in giving birth to a calf, which after growth gives the best quality and quantity of milk. Example, Jersey. Characteristics: need to give good quality and quantity of milk. What is this lactation period? The period from the time the calf is born until the cow ceases to give milk is called period of lactation. Shed management. Proper cleaning and shelter facilities. Regular brushing needs to be done to remove dirt and loose hair. Provide shelter to the cattle under well ventilated roof sheds that protect them from rain, heat and cold. Floor of the cattle shed needs to be sloping to stay dry and to facilitate cleaning. Food. Need to provide cattle with roughage, more fiber and less nutrients. Example, green fodder, silage, hay and legumes like berseem. Lucerne, cowpea, etc. Concentrate, less fiber and more nutrients. Like maize, oats, barley, jowar, bajra, gram and their byproducts such as wheat, barn, polished gram, husk, oil seed cakes, and molasses. Additives rich in micro and macronutrients. Prevention and control. Antibiotics, hormones and vaccination are given to protect and promote growth and milk yield. Diseases. External diseases. Parasites live on skin and cause skin diseases. Internal diseases. Worms affect stomach and intestine. Liver fluke damages liver, bacteria and virus cause infectious diseases. So, finally, you all understood that all the above mentioned practices help in increasing the productivity of milk. How many of you would like to start cattle farming? Wait. Decide. Once I complete the process of poultry farming. Generally, we need to domesticate fowl for egg production and chicken meat. Layers. Fowl reared for the purpose of eggs called as layers. Layers lay eggs at the age of 20 weeks. They need more light and space. Broiler. Fowl reared for the purpose of meat is called as broiler. Broilers raised for 6 to 7 weeks and are sent to market for sale. They need to grow fast with good weight. Poultry farming. Best breeds. Indigenous or local or Indian breed is best for disease resistant. Exotic or foreign is good in producing good quality and quantity of egg and meat. Characteristics. Fed with vitamin rich supplementary feed for good growth rate and better feed efficiency, should be resistant to disease and mortality rate need to be decreased. Chicken sent for meat purposes should have good feathering and carcass. Tenderness, cut size, fat, cover, marbling, meat and fat color, quality. Food. Broiler needs to be fed with vitamins, minerals and macronutrients. Layers need to be fed with protein and vitamin A and K rich food. Management practices. Maintenance of temperature and hygienic condition, prevention and control of disease and pests. Supplying good food with enough protein, vitamin A, K and fat. Proper cleaning, sanitation and spraying of disinfectants at regular intervals need to be done. Diseases. Fowls may get infected with nutritional deficiency diseases. External fungal diseases and internal bacterial and viral diseases. Prevention and control. Disinfectants are sprayed to control infections. Antibiotics and vaccination are given to protect them from diseases.